You've been collecting some copyright notice from YouTube because you're copywriting these kind of songs, famous songs. Well, we have a solution for that in the next video. So stay tuned video guys, let's get started on the video. So this is a website and you can actually find the free websites that you can get your free sound effects. So let's jump into the website and let's get into it. So the first website is freesound.org, which is you can get a couple different sound effects like this and this. And the second last is your YouTube audio library, and you can get your sound effects for free and very low. So guys, there you go, and this is it. You can get any sound effects for free. You can get this, you can get this, and you can directly download this like this. So it's just simple, easy, and you get some sound effects. So what's the last video you're gonna do? So guys, as you can see, we got this channel. We can see every kind of music that from NCS. So there's another channel which is we call the audio library, and this is the channel. We can see tons of videos, and let me show you how the footage looks like in the last video. That's how the video will support me on the YouTube channel. Please subscribe here and watch my last video right